Have you ever looked down your basement stairs and felt a shiver? Most of us have. That dark, mysterious space below our homes can feel a little intimidating, almost like a secret world waiting to be discovered. Basements are often neglected, used for storage and forgotten items. Over time, they become a catch-all for things we don't know what to do with. Holiday decorations, old furniture, childhood memories packed away in boxes. But what if that dark, dusty space could become the most exciting room in your house? Imagine transforming it from a place you avoid into a space you can't wait to spend time in. The potential beneath your feet is enormous. Extra square footage, already part of your home. It's a blank canvas, just waiting for your creativity and vision. You don't need to build an extension. You just need to unlock it. With a little imagination and planning, your basement can become so much more than just storage. Transforming a basement isn't just about adding value to your property, it's about creating a space that truly works for your family. It could be a playroom for the kids, a quiet office, or a cozy retreat for movie nights. Many people worry about low ceilings, tiny windows, and damp, but every problem has a solution. Forget the spooky stories. With the right approach, even the most challenging basements can be transformed into bright, welcoming spaces. Start imagining a cozy cinema, a home gym, or a stylish guest suite. The possibilities are endless. Your basement can become anything you dream it to be. In this guide, we'll show you how to turn that forgotten space into your favorite place. Get ready to discover the hidden gem that's been right beneath your feet all along. Before we dive into design, let's face the three main basement challenges: lack of natural light, low ceilings, and damp. These issues make basements feel dark, cramped, and musty. Ignoring them is a mistake. You'll end up with a room that still feels like a basement. Most basements have tiny or no windows, making them gloomy and disconnected. Low ceilings, often filled with pipes and beams, can make the space feel even smaller. And then there's moisture, damp patches, musty smells, and even mold. Damp isn't just unpleasant, it's unhealthy and can damage your home. Tackling these three problems is essential for a successful conversion. Solve them, and you'll have a space that feels like a true part of your home. Let's see how to conquer each one. To defeat basement darkness, start by maximizing any natural light you can get. Natural light is the most effective way to instantly lift the mood of any space, especially one that's below ground. If you have windows, consider enlarging them or adding window wells to bring in more sunlight and meet safety codes. Even a small increase in window size can make a surprising difference, both in brightness and in how open the room feels. But if new windows aren't possible, don't worry. Creative artificial lighting can work wonders. The right lighting setup can mimic daylight and transform a gloomy basement into a vibrant, welcoming retreat. Use layers, recessed LED downlights for general brightness, spreading light evenly across the ceiling and eliminating dark corners. Add task lighting for work areas, like desks or reading nooks, to make sure every activity has the perfect amount of light. And don't forget accent lighting for warmth. Table lamps, floor lamps, or even string lights can add a cozy, inviting glow. Wall sconces and LED strips can add style and make the room feel taller, drawing the eye upward and creating a sense of spaciousness. Reflective surfaces are your friend. Choose light, neutral wall colors, and a satin finish to bounce light around. Glossy or satin paints help reflect both natural and artificial light, making the space feel brighter and more open. Mirrors are a secret weapon, reflecting both light and space. Place them strategically to double the impact of your lighting and visually expand the room. With the right lighting and colors, your basement can feel bright and inviting, turning it into a favorite spot for relaxing or entertaining. Don't settle for a single bulb. Layer your lighting for a welcoming atmosphere. Mixing different types of lights creates depth and interest, making the space feel thoughtfully designed. Even the darkest basement can become a cheerful, usable space with a few smart changes. It's amazing how much difference the right lighting and finishes can make. It's all about smart choices and a little creativity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different lighting combinations and decor until you find what works best for your space. Now that you've brightened things up, let's move on to making the space feel even bigger and more open. Low ceilings are a classic basement challenge, but you can create the illusion of height. Box in pipes and ducts for a smooth, clean ceiling, then paint it crisp white to make it recede. Extend the ceiling color a few inches down the walls to blur boundaries and trick the eye. Avoid dark colors overhead. They make the ceiling feel lower. Choose low-profile furniture to increase the sense of vertical space. Use tall, slim shelving and hang curtains from ceiling to floor for vertical lines. Subtle vertical stripes on a feature wall can also draw the eye upward. Skip horizontal lines that cut the room in half. Every detail should encourage the eye to travel up, making the space feel open and airy. The biggest battle in any basement renovation is against damp. Get this wrong, and nothing else matters. Damp can ruin finishes, damage furniture, and even cause health issues if left unchecked. So, before you dream about a cozy retreat or a stylish home office, you need to tackle moisture head-on. First, identify the source of the problem. Is it penetrating damp coming through the walls, condensation from poor ventilation, or a hidden leak from plumbing? Each type needs a different solution, so take your time to investigate thoroughly. A professional damp survey is a smart investment. Experts can pinpoint the exact cause and recommend the best fix, saving you time, money, and hassle in the long run. For penetrating damp, the gold standard is a waterproof membrane system. This clever setup channels water safely to a sump pump, keeping your basement dry. It's modern, reliable, and once installed, completely invisible behind your finished walls. After waterproofing, you can add plasterboard and decorate as normal. This creates a fresh, clean canvas for your new space, free from the worry of damp patches or peeling paint. Good ventilation is essential, even in a dry basement. Without it, stale air and excess moisture can quickly build up, leading to condensation and mold. Install an extractor fan or a positive input ventilation (PIV) unit to keep air fresh and prevent condensation. These systems are quiet, energy efficient, and make a huge difference to air quality. Underfloor heating adds warmth and comfort, banishing that chilly cellar feeling for good. It's a great way to make your basement feel like a true extension of your home. With these steps, your basement will be dry, cozy, and ready for anything, from movie nights to playrooms or even a guest suite. Don't cut corners. Proper damp proofing is the foundation of a great basement. Skipping this step can lead to costly repairs and disappointment down the line. Once it's dry, you can focus on making it beautiful. Let's talk about finishes and how to bring your vision to life. With the basics sorted, it's time to make your basement feel like a real room. Plasterboard over your damp proofing gives you smooth walls. Decorate with light, bright colors for openness. Add personality with a feature wall in a deeper shade. Flooring matters. Carpet is warm and cozy, while luxury vinyl tile, LVT, is waterproof and easy to clean. Engineered wood is another stylish, stable option. Underfloor heating is a luxury that makes a big difference. Finish with quality skirting boards, doors, and hardware for a polished look. Details like stylish handles and switches elevate the space. These finishing touches turn a functional basement into a fantastic living area. Now, what will you do with your new space? Now for the fun part, what will your basement become? A home cinema is a popular choice. Dark walls, a big screen, comfy sofas, and great sound. Or maybe a home gym with solid floors, mirrors, and good ventilation for early morning workouts. Entertainers might love a lounge or bar area, complete with a built-in bar, feature lighting, and games. A guest suite with a bathroom and kitchenette gives visitors privacy and comfort. Or create the ultimate kids' playroom, noise and mess contained. The key is to design for your family's needs. Your basement can be anything you imagine. It's a chance to add a room that truly improves your life. Dream big. This is your space. Imagine the transformation from dark, cluttered basement to a warm, inviting retreat. The staircase is finished, with subtle lighting guiding your way. The air is fresh and warm, thanks to hidden ventilation and underfloor heating. Soft carpet greets your feet, and layered lighting makes the room glow. A large mirror reflects light, making the space feel twice as big. Every detail is intentional. Comfortable furniture, sleek storage, and hidden pipes. There's a cozy office nook, perfect for work or study. The basement is now the heart of your home, a place for movies, homework, and relaxation. It's gone from least used to most loved. With a clear plan and imagination, you've unlocked your home's hidden potential. We've journeyed from a dark cellar to a dream room, conquering damp, darkness, and low ceilings. Clever lighting, color, and finishes can transform any basement. Next time you're at home, stand at the top of your basement stairs and imagine the possibilities. Don't see clutter, see potential. Start small, clear out the space, get a damp survey, or sketch your dream layout. Break the project into manageable steps. Your home should work for you. Sometimes the answer is right beneath your feet. Be bold, be creative, and start dreaming. There's a hidden gem in your home, just waiting to be discovered.